It's okay not knowing what to do next. You can say no contemplations for another day. When the dormant gusts awake and blow.
Oh, he's just standing there now. Quickly sneaking up on the tree line towards the bear so that the wind is good, so it's facing this way so that he won't be able to smell us. So we're gonna face up on the tree line, and then if we get a Broadway shot and I nail him, it'll be a good shot because it's not towards the road, and because the wind is this way, so he won't be able to smell us sneaking up on him. First shot I did, the bear was broadside, and I missed it, I think. So it kind of just stood on its hind legs and then popped down and sat. And then it went, broadside again. And then I had it where you're supposed to shoot it, the lungs. And then I think I kind of like flinched last minute and missed. I didn't know I was gonna shake though, so. An accident shake, you can call it. We're just gonna go look over the oat field over there and then see if there's any more bears that come out.
And we're confident we didn't hit him.
Yeah.
I was watching. He didn't flinch or anything.
Yeah, I thought he was going towards us too.
He was?
I thought and then he's
okay, so
like,
what are we putting back on? Game face. Shot if you got it.
Don't wait too long, it's just a low day. Clean your boots, dry your eye, get him, find another way. Then get some goals and keep them short to meet them. When to beat them, celebrate the day. And when you find your piece of grass, took all your own, took all your own. Then you find another. Just remember that you always have a home from home.
There it is. You got this. You got this.
This is where we learned about parallax. I don't really know a whole lot about it, but I sighted in her rifle, which proved to be a costly error, as when she shot the rifle looking through the scope, when I had it zeroed, she was shooting about 8 inches high. One of the hardest things is watching your kids be unsuccessful.
How you feeling, Peyton? Come on. Tell all the other kids that want to learn how to hunt. How you feeling right now?
disappointed.
Yeah, why?
We didn't get the bear.
You did good though.
Thanks.
I cannot wait to show you part 2 of this video, which will show Peyton successfully harvesting a bear. Hopefully, because we haven't done it yet.